These Casper charts are very interesting and shocking. And if you're tuning in right now, you have to see this. If you're a Caspian or someone that's wondering what is going on with the project, why is the price retracing, why are we correcting right now, what is going on, you need to watch this video until the end. If you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the video with your friends and family, right? And let's dive in. This is from Altcoin Bonanza. Looks like Kaspa is finding support at the bottom of this descending channel. Let's see what our TA specialist cryptographer has to say. Check out my CAS USDT analysis on TradingView. So right here we have the Kaspa chart. We are still holding up this trend line. We are still doing pretty well. I know a lot of people are thinking we're gonna go extremely low, but I don't think we're gonna go as deep as people expect, right? The Cardano fractal could still be in play, man. You saw what happened here. This is the Cardano chart in the yellow. You see these yellow lines. It came. What did we see with the Cardano fractal? It came right back down to these levels, which will put CAS around 3.8 cents. And once we hit there, who knows, we could start to bounce up again and go back into the uptrend line, right? Because if you take a look at here, we're still in this range, this green line, you see this? We're still in this range of just a major uptrend, an ascending channel, right? We're still in that, and we haven't left that channel yet, and I don't think we're gonna leave that channel. I think what's gonna happen next, we're gonna hit the bottom of the channel, right, and then bounce off of it, just similar back here with this yellow, right, which is the Cardano fractal. Hit the bottom of the channel, wick down, and then continued up in the channel, right? That's potentially what we could see here for CAS, and I'm telling you, you won't want to miss these buying opportunities. From Marwan, Kaspa uptrend, let's make new all-time high 14 cents soon. Do not forget that we're still at the beginning. Our first goal is $1, and I still think 10 cent could still be in play going into the end of the year. Who knows? I thought a Black Swan event was a rare occurrence, but it seems to me like Black Swan events happen every other day. For the past 2 years, they're happening every other day in these markets, man. So a lot of people are panicked. A lot of people are depressed. But there's people, the real people that are going to be making money in this cycle, in the next bull market, are the people that are using these opportunities. When they see red days like this, they're happy. They're like, whoa, finally I could get some cheap cash. At least I'm not buying at, you know, the 5.1 cent, 5.4 cent all-time high. I'm buying at a cheaper price. This is a nice time to layer in. This is a nice time to dollar cost average in. And as you guys can see from this image, let me also zoom in on it a bit more for you guys. As you guys can see from this image, man, you see this trend line that we are on. We're still bouncing off this trend line. We bounced off, moved up, retrace, bounce off that trend line, moved up. So this is a channel that is happening in the chart for CAS, man, that a lot of people need to pay attention to, man. As you guys can see, hit that channel, then we bounced off of it and moved up once again. And we could potentially be seeing the same thing here. Okay, we could potentially be seeing the same thing once again here. I wouldn't rule it out, man. Nothing has changed in Kaspa. Fundamentals are still absolutely amazing. The technology is still, you know, the cream of the crop, a cut above the rest. So unique, so innovative, and that's what that's what should be focused on for you to get success in crypto. Finding projects that are just technologically sound, right? For example, a lot of people faded CAS early because they didn't really do their research on it as much as what the project was aiming to accomplish, or what the project was developed for, right? Or what was it intending to do, or what kind of technology brought to the table. I for one fell victim to that, right? Seeing CAS at less than a penny, 0.05 last year, and I just ignored it, thinking, oh, that's just another pump and dump, right? I didn't go into the research of it, and if I did, and I did really sat down and ask questions, join the Discord, checked out X, see what, what was being developed, instantly I would have been, buying up amazing bags at, the 0.05 mark, right? But again, after I took notice and I was like, this just keeps rising. Why is that? I saw it retrace back down to the 1.5 cent mark, and I was like, 1.5 cent. I was like, okay, that's probably gonna be as good an entry as ever, any. And that's when I started to layer into cash, right? So guys, that's what I'm saying. Like, nothing has changed fundamentally with Casper. The only reason we're seeing this bigger correction than normal is because of the conflict that is taking place in the Middle East, right? And overall, again, nothing has changed in Cas, man. Still fundamentally sound. From the Django, Kaspa is down 10%. So I took this opportunity to sell the last of my ETH and put it into Casper. What? Ethereum holders are selling their ETH to buy Cas. Man, you know what's so crazy about Ethereum right now? Ethereum is a great project, don't get me wrong, but what's so crazy about Ethereum right now? Look at the inflation of ETH, right? It's going up. The ETH supply is going up. There's not much burning going on right now, not much burning going on. The ultrasound money, the inflation is just on the rise for ETH. Vitalik put out a tweet saying he might want to fork ETH once again. I'm saying, man, it's not proof of work anymore. It's proof of stake security issues, man. Honestly, between Cas and ETH, I know ETH is generated so much because of the smart contracts, but eventually we're gonna see smart contracts on Kaspa. And I'm just pointing out, man, like, a lot of stuff is going on with ETH that leads people like Django to move their ETH into Cas, right? Honestly, should have sold my ETH a long time ago, but now I own zero and I'm not looking back. Casper is now my second biggest holding after Bitcoin. That's a lot of people's portfolio as well. That's a lot of people's portfolio, or what they're aiming for their portfolio. Bitcoin and Casper. That's really what is happening before our eyes. There's a great revolution in this space that is happening before our eyes, man. And it's crazy. Ethereum holders selling their ETH for Cas. Man, crazy stuff, man. Kaspa currency. Kaspa, oh, look at this. This is a Turkish. I'm not sure which language this is, but you see right here, man, all over the world, Kaspa is global. Kaspa made it. Hash rate of 51 PHS. Kaspa hash rate development is truly incredible, and the price will follow soon. Look at that. 51.06 PHS. New all-time highs for the mining that is taking place, the hash rate that is taking place for Kaspa. Follow the miners if you want to find gold, man. The reason projects like, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. have been around for so long, it's because they're proof of work projects. ETH Classic, even ETH Classic, look at how long that's been around for. They're proof of work projects. The miners consistently are mining and securing the network, right? Bitcoin, look at what most people are excited for in the space. In all together, every single one of us, we're looking for the Bitcoin halving, right? And what does the halving do? Reduce the emissions of Bitcoin that the miners receive, which then increases the difficulty of the network, which then increases the hash rate. I shared something on my Twitter showing Bitcoin is at an all-time high as far as hash rate goes. So imagine after the halving, and then after the halving, what do we see? Huge run up in price. It's the same thing here with Kaspa. We're seeing the hash rate hit new all-time highs consistently. Eventually, what you're gonna see, a huge run up in price. It's just right there, staring you in the face, Caspians. And to close out the video, I always got to remember this, guys. Every one of you watching right now, you always got to remember, this is from Casper News. Cas is ranked top 44 project by market cap without the participation of many top tier exchanges. Cas right now is sitting just under $1 billion in market cap without any tier 1 listings yet. Imagine when the tier 1's listings finally happened for Cas. Like, what could the price skyrocket to, right? 10, 50, $100 billion in market cap? Come on, man. Especially going into the top of the cycle when it's peak FOMO. Everyone is buying all the green candles because they don't want to miss out. It's gonna get crazy out here, man. No Binance, no Coinbase, no Kraken, no Bitstamp, no Bitfinex, no HTX, no Gemini, no Crypto.com, no OKX. Guess the rank of Casper when all these exchanges will list it. Very soon, 10 BPS mainnet as well. Come on, man. Come on, guys. This is a gem you won't want to miss. This is an altcoin. This is a project. This is an innovative revolution that you can't miss it, man. Use these red days again to dollar cost average into Cas. Obviously not financial advice, but I think most of us know where Cas is headed in the future. Caspians, if you're tuning in, if you're new to the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.